Strategies and tips to apply in order to increase earning. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your income, build financial freedom, and create a life with more options, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into strategies and tips you can apply right now to increase your earnings, no matter your current job, skill level, or background. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a 9-to-5 professional, or just getting started, there's something here for everyone. So stick around, because these aren't just ideas, they're actionable steps that can truly change your financial future. In today's fast-paced and constantly evolving economy, increasing your income isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Rising living costs, inflation, and lifestyle demands require individuals to continuously find ways to grow their earnings. Whether you're working a traditional 9-to-5, freelancing, running a business, or exploring side hustles, boosting your income requires both mindset and method. This guide breaks down proven strategies and practical tips to help you increase your income, build financial resilience, and ultimately gain the freedom and flexibility that money can offer. 1. Shift your mindset. Think like a value creator. Before diving into tactical strategies, it's crucial to start with your mindset. High earners don't think in terms of time, they think in terms of value. They ask, how can I solve bigger problems? How can I create more value for others? How can I make myself irreplaceable? Action steps. Identify your unique skills and how they can benefit others. Focus on solving problems rather than just completing tasks. Seek feedback to understand how others perceive your value. Once you shift from being a task doer to a value provider, opportunities to increase your income will naturally begin to surface. 2. Develop high-income skills. Not all skills are created equal. Some skills are highly in demand and command premium rates. These are known as high-income skills, and mastering one, or more, can dramatically increase your earning potential. How to build these skills? Enroll in reputable online courses, e.g., Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning. Practice through freelance projects or personal work. Learn directly from industry professionals via YouTube, blogs, or mentorship. Investing in your skills is the single best investment you can make. It pays compound interest over time. 3. Monetize what you know. Everyone has something they're good at or passionate about, and in today's creator economy, knowledge is currency. You can turn your expertise into income through freelancing or consulting, online coaching or mentoring, creating digital products, ebooks, templates, courses, starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. Tips to get started. Identify a problem people frequently ask you for help with. Create content to build trust and authority in that area. Offer a paid product or service as a next step. Even a small following or niche audience can become a profitable income stream when you provide real value consistently. 4. Create multiple streams of income. One stream of income is risky. Wealthy and financially stable people rarely rely on a single source of earnings. Creating multiple income streams adds security and scales your ability to earn over time. Popular income stream ideas: a day job or freelance service, rental property income, dividend-paying stocks, a side hustle, e.g., Etsy shop, affiliate marketing, a monetized YouTube channel or blog, peer-to-peer lending or digital investing. Start with one income stream, master it, then add more. The goal is to diversify your income without diluting your focus. 5. Level up your career. If you're working a 9-to-5, your current job could still be a goldmine of untapped potential. Don't settle for cost of living raises or occasional promotions. Be intentional about maximizing your value in the workplace. How to increase income within your career? Negotiate your salary, never accept the first offer. Pursue promotions by taking on leadership roles or responsibilities. Upskill regularly and show how those skills solve business problems. Track and communicate your results to your employer. Use metrics and outcomes to prove your worth. Quantifiable results are hard to ignore and easy to reward. 6. Build a personal brand. In the digital age, your personal brand is your resume. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or even a traditional employee, people want to work with those they trust and recognize. How to build your brand? Share your insights regularly on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. Create a personal website that showcases your skills, story, and portfolio. Network online and offline. Collaborations often lead to new opportunities. A strong personal brand builds authority, opens doors, and attracts high-paying clients or employers. 7. Learn to sell yourself and your ideas. Every high earner has mastered the art of selling, not just products or services, but themselves, their value, and their ideas. Whether you're pitching a client, negotiating a raise, or closing a deal, your income will reflect your ability to influence and persuade. Books like Influence by Robert Cialdini and Sell or Be Sold by Grant Cardone are excellent places to start. You have more earning power than you think. Increasing your income isn't reserved for the lucky or the elite. It's a skill that can be learned, refined, and mastered. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to scale your current income, the principles outlined above will help you take control of your financial future. Remember, the journey to higher earnings isn't always about working harder. It's about working smarter, solving bigger problems, and making strategic decisions. Start small, be consistent, and stay focused. Over time, these efforts compound, and that's where real wealth begins. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on money, mindset, and financial growth, and don't forget to drop a comment telling us which strategy you're going to start with. Remember, increasing your income isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter, creating value, and thinking long-term. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep earning. See you in the next video.